Hey traders, just wanted to take a look at Bitcoin, talk about the aftermath of what happened yesterday because, well, I streamed for 8 hours yesterday, so didn't really have the chance to, I don't know, do another static video or talk off stream for a second about it. So here we are, um, you know, definitely feeling last night or yesterday or both at the same time. So ascending triangle, it was interesting. People kept asking why did we break out, and I explained like 3 times the psychology of an ascending triangle, and every time I explained it, it was like more and more people got benefit out of it, and I'm like, dang dude, okay. So why don't I just do a static video on what really happened? Was it whales, man? Was it Carlos Matos? Was it George Soros? Who was it, man? The Bogdanovs? People are just running, looking for reasons that don't have anything to do with technical analysis of why we broke to the upside. When I think purely it was only that we broke up. Okay, so we're in an uptrend, right? Clear uptrend's been going on, right, since really January 29th. And so we hit a sell wall, a huge overhead resistance. Look left, big overhead resistance. After we already broke critical resistance, great news, okay? But for 2 weeks we consolidated. Someone put up a huge sell order, all right? Tons of sell orders, right at 83.50. Okay, so this bull run got stalled twice, right? Oh man, double top, small pattern, worked out, hit the measure move perfectly. Okay, so really what happened on candle closes, the buyers relented. They said, all right, we cannot obviously break this huge sell wall, time to sell off. So you did, but when you sold off and you pivoted, you made a higher low than your previous low, and that signifies accumulation. It's just more people are in on Bitcoin than before, from May 12th, now May 17th. So when we clearly pivoted, we rallied again, hit the same sell wall, and there were still way too many sell orders there. All right, so buyers relented and we sold off again. But when we sold off again, what happened? Go figure, higher lows. So more accumulation, even more people are in on this asset. And so we rallied to the upside, just slightly sold off a little bit, hit our moving averages, and then once we rallied up to this point, all the sell orders filled. The rest of them, the remaining sell orders that have been getting chipped away at for a couple weeks, they're gone. And so we just busted through it. There was no more supply at this price. There was only supply at much higher prices, around 9,000 or 8,900. Okay, and so we are stalling here, probably because the 60-minute was at like 92 on the RSI. It happens. But I do not think we are done. Okay, do not think this is over. A measured move of this pattern that is confirmed now, an ascending triangle, would put you up at like 98.60. Okay, 98.50, excuse me. So that's about it. Why do I also think we're not done? Besides the psychological resistance at 9,000, because it's a rounded number, 9000. If you look left, there's absolutely no resistance. Okay, nothing. There is no overhead resistance. Where we are now, it is wide open pastures. Okay, every single time in history on Bitcoin, we have run through it to the upside. We have run through it to the downside. We've run through it to the upside. Run through it to the downside. Have run through it to the upside, and we have run through it to the downside. Okay, there is nothing historically giving me reason to believe we're done at this price. It just wouldn't make much sense, man, until we get to 9,500, which is the 38% retrace from our all-time highs to December 15th, 2018 lows. Okay, and that is the beginning of the golden zone, which we know you commonly see price action reversal between the 38% retrace and the 62% retrace. Remember the golden zone, or excuse me, the golden retrace video I did where Bitcoin 13,500? Yep, there it is, still sitting there. How crazy am I now? People talking crap. I mean, it's very real. It's still a golden retrace. We have not even hit the golden zone yet. And again, I guess we can mark that for you. It's right here between, again, 95.27 and 13,487. All right. So that's it, man. Want to do a quick video, Memorial Day. Get back to it with your families. If you enjoyed the static video, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Leave a comment in the description below. So until next time, respect the TA.